सिटी इंडिया न्यूज चैनल, हक की आवाज।
पैराडाइज फंक्शन पैलेस, पैराडाइज फंक्शन पैलेस महबूब नगर।
मिस वर्ल्ड 2025 मुकाबलों में शामिल आलमी हसीनाओं ने जुमा के दिन तेलंगाना के महबूब नगर में वाक़ तारीख़ी मकाम पीरलामारी का दौरा किया, जहां ज़िला कलेक्टर विजेंद्रा बॉय ने हसीनाओं का शानदार इस्तकबाल किया। वहीं ज़िला एसपी डी जानकी IPS ने ज़ाती तौर पर हिफाजती इंतजामात की निगरानी की। इस मौके पर रियासती वज़ीर बराए सयाहत जुपल्ली कृष्णा राव, मुकामी रुकन असम्बली एनएम श्रीनिवास रेड्डी, देवरकद्रा रुकन असम्बली जी मधुसूदन रेड्डी, शादनगर रुकन असम्बली वीरलापल्ली शंकर, मगथल रुकन असम्बली वागेटी श्रीहरि, जोगलांब गद्वाल रुकन असम्बली बल्ला कृष्ण मोहन रेड्डी, नारायणपेट रुकन असम्बली पर्णिका रेड्डी, चीफ मिनिस्टर के भाई तिरुपति रेड्डी ने शिरकत की। इस मौके पर रियासती वज़ीर जुपल्ली कृष्णा राव ने मिस वर्ल्ड 2025 मुकाबलों में शामिल हसीनाओं को मशवरा दिया कि तेलंगाना के रस्म व रिवाज और सकाफ़त को दुनिया के सामने पेश करें। उन्होंने कहा कि यह सिर्फ चीफ मिनिस्टर रेवंत रेड्डी के पहल से ही मिस वर्ल्ड का प्रोग्राम पीरलामारी में मुनक़िद हुआ है।
Just now, Sri N.M. Srinivas Reddy, he represents this part of the area assembly. Normally what you call the Asian countries or the Western countries like a parliamentarian or like a senator, the state representative. And our another legislator, Kasireddy Narayan Reddy Garu, we call him as a brilliant Narayan Reddy Garu. And also our Madhusudan Reddy, we call him as GMR, where you landed in our airport, GMR airport. You can easy to remember. Dada is from Shardar constituency. And also our Maktal MLA, Srihari Garu, visiting there. Minister shortly, I think so. And another, our Tirupati Reddy Garu, who is the own brother of our Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu. And our Revanth Reddy Garu, Chief Minister, is instrumental in getting this or grabbing the opportunity of conducting this Miss World program in India, in spite of in Telangana. But also there was a stiff competition. So we are thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister in getting this event here to our part of this Palamur, Telangana. And especially where we are now, under the banyan tree. Sorry, I forgot. Extremely sorry. Parnika Reddy, she is representing our Narayanpeta. She is also a doctor. She is also a doctor. And other our chairman, there are a lot of people. And this banyan tree, just now explained by our Honorable MLA, this 700 years, it is not multiple trees. This is only one tree. This is only one tree spread over almost 4 acres or so. You can't identify its root, which is its main root. So one root over a period of 700 years spread over almost 3.5. And during the histories, countless number of saints and spiritual leaders paid visits to this botanical wonder. It's not a tree, it's a wonder. You are all present in Telangana with the admirable mission of making your respective nations proud by winning the Sethopes and dreams. And your presence here made us extremely happy and conferred new worldwide prominences to this town site. On behalf of the state government, I thank you all profusely once again. Temples are existing as an impressive combination. The grandeur of this saintly banyan tree is in its numerous prop roots, branches and greenery filled widespread. And you are showcasing your culture in India. And with these events, we are showcasing our culture, heritage to the globe, to the world. And you are not just the participants in the Miss World, you are also as a tourist. And my request with you all. You are thank our collector Vijayendra Boiji. Please come. Please come. Vijayendra Boiji and her team members. If I forget one Mr. Hari Krishna, who is our Director Culture, he is instrumental in organizing all these art forms, showing all these art forms. So if I miss anybody, for all the participants, all the administration,